is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to watch HBO Max live stream. So it's pretty simple. The first way is to download the app for HBO Max using your Android or iPhone. Basically, your HBO Max will automatically update to Max, and you'll be prompted to download the new Max app if you have the older one. You can always go to Google, just type in Max or HBO Max, click on the first one. You can sign in from the top right, sign in with your account, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up using this button now. As you can see, these are the prices. So €7 a month, or you pay €55 a year. And as I mentioned, yeah, just download the app on the iPhone or Android. You can watch it from your computer. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.